If you guys can guess what's off about these pictures, I'll give you a free funeral program business toolkit. Go ahead and comment your answers below. You have 5 seconds. Okay, so if you guys said the teeth, the eyes, or the fingers, then you are correct. And the reality is most AI photos or videos look like this. So I know you guys seen that weird TikTok trend, watch what AI does to my photo. I'm going to show you how we can avoid weird looking AI photos and videos like this. So let's get started. So guys, before we actually get started, I do want to let you guys know that we are using the Epic Art Designs Creators Hub. This is our private platform where you can easily create AI images or videos, and it's built specifically for you guys, okay? So if you are not a member, I highly recommend that you sign up. I will link it in the description below. But if you don't want to try that and you still want to explore your options, I know there are a few alternatives out there for you. Canva, Leonardo AI, Microsoft Image Creator, or Adobe Firefly. These are really awesome platforms for you to generate AI images on there. But let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so step one, guys, is to log into your Epic Art Designs Creators Hub. Now, I will link this below if you guys want to sign up, but also it is on our website under Creators Hub login in case you need to get to it anytime. So before we get into this video, actually, um, so we have more tools on here that you guys can use. We have our funeral program courses on here. We have the option to drop ship with EAD, and we also gave you guys a ton of bonuses and other tools and stuff that we're going to get into later and show you guys how to use. But what we are going to be going to is the hyper realistic AI images. And as you can see, I already be generating images on here and just playing around with it. But the first thing we're going to do is create a new project. So you want to head to project right here, and then we're just going to name this project here. Let's name it funeral images. Now I know I'm doing this for like a funeral background and stuff, but you can definitely go ahead and use this for anything that you want to do really. So now we have a blank slate and we can go ahead and create. Before we actually create, let me just show you guys around really quick. So this under image, oh my bad, let's start right here. So project is where you basically just keep everything organized. So maybe you have all backgrounds here, maybe you have all AI people here, maybe you have just funeral theme. This is jet, I guess I was generating jets there. So yeah, you have all different types of options here to keep you nice and organized. And then under here, image idea is where you actually create your prompts. Yeah, also they can create image ideas for you as well, so keep that in mind. And also you can kind of click this mouse tool here to kind of speak and tell them what you're trying to get instead of like typing it all out. And then we have this, which is aspect ratio. So the aspect ratio is basically like the size of your photo. Um, so you can set it to 16.9. I mean 16 by 9, I'm sorry, 1 by 1, 2 by 3, all that good stuff. So you just choose the size or the ratio kind of that best fits it. For a funeral program, I always recommend, if you just generating people, to do the 4 by 5. But if you are like generating a full background, go ahead and do that 16 by 9. That's gonna be the best way. So AI photo director, it basically just gives you a more advanced feel, like more, let's say like a more cartoon effect, if I can say, like, if that explains it. Like I hope that explains it. But yeah, it gives you a more cartoon effect. So if you want that effect, go ahead and switch it on. I'm gonna keep it off for it now. So now that we got that out the way, let's go ahead and generate our image idea. So if you guys are struggling with kind of coming up with the prompts for this, we also included this in the Creators Hub for you guys. Yes, we thought of everything. So let me just go ahead and open another tab back into the Creators Hub. And then you want to head over to bonuses. And then under bonuses, you want to go ahead and find your AI prompts. Now this has prompts for backgrounds. So I'm just gonna go ahead and look for the prompt that I want. Also, if you already know how to kind of make the prompts, you just need the platform, go ahead and skip ahead. You don't really have to do this. I will be showing you guys how to do this without kind of using these prompts as well. So let's do Peaceful Lake at Dusk, and I just copy it here, and then I go back to our generator and I just paste it there. And I'm gonna make sure that I check the ratio. I'm gonna keep it the same, 16 by 9 is fine with me because it is a background. And then you just wanna click create a realistic image and watch it generate. By the way, for all the guys who cannot really afford the Creator Sub right now, we did drop a $3 mini course for funeral programs. So if you want to invest in that, go ahead and visit the description to sign up. Okay, so our image is generated. It looks really good. Now, I know you guys like, where are the people? We're going to get to that. Stay tuned. Don't leave this video because we're going to get to generating the people soon. Okay, so now that we have this background, we're going to go ahead and save this image by going to the three dots right here. And then you just want to click the download arrow. And then you basically just select how you want to download it. I always tend to stick to PNGs, but it's really up to you. While we wait for that to download, I do want to show you guys. So below here, for all the images that you generate, it does not go away. It stays at the bottom. So just in case you guys need to go back to it, it'll always be there. So now let's go ahead and open Canva really quickly. And the good thing about the Creators Hub is you can go ahead and access Canva through there. Go ahead and log in. By the way, if you guys did want to sign up for a 30-day free trial with Canva, I will link that below as well. Just so you guys can see this on an actual funeral program, I'm going to do a little time lapse of me designing this. Just a simple one so you guys can see how it looks. Okay, guys, so we have the front and back cover to this funeral program. As you can see, this background looks really good and really high quality. Yeah, so now let's go ahead and get into generating AI people. The thing that we are going to do is go ahead and open ChatGPT, and I have it open here already. And I'm just going to generate my AI prompts for like, people. So I'm just gonna tell chat, and I'm gonna do like I'm sorry, chat GPT. I'm gonna generate a 50-year-old woman, different variations. So I'm gonna tell him to generate 50 generate 10 AI prompts. And I usually say for mid journey, but he's still gonna know. So I'm just gonna say for mid journey. Generate 10 AI prompts for mid journey for a 50-year-old African American woman. And we're gonna say different variations based on style, race, I guess. Yeah. And then let's see what he comes up with. Okay, he's doing a really good job with it. So we're gonna choose one. I think I'm going with number 4. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go with number 4. It says mature African American woman, business executive, sleek tailor suit, downtown cityscape, confident pose, golden hour lighting, and magazine cover style. Bam, that's actually perfect. Now, will she be 50? Because that one didn't include that she would be 50. Let me go back to my AI prompt generator here. I mean, image generator. I'm going to create a new project for people. I want to add this just so I can keep everything organized. And I'm just going to paste my prompt in here. And I'm going to turn the ratio to 4 by 5. And I'm not going to turn it on, but you can definitely go ahead and play around with that. And then I'm just going to generate this image and wait for it. Okay, so this lady is not 50, but then again, we did not tell the prompt that we wanted her to be 50, but I like this one anyway. So we're going to go ahead and download this. It's many possible ways that you can do this. Also, let me show you something really quickly before we get off this. So we downloaded this. Now, say we want to kind of make the photo to show her bottom part a little bit more. We're going to change the ratio to 9 by 16. I'm just going to regenerate that. While that's generating, let's go over to our canvas here where we kind of generate our background. And I'm just going to delete him because he was like an old image. And I'm going to go ahead and drop her in here. I'm going to remove the background with Canva's background remover. And she fits right in. So I'm just going to go layer, show layers. If you see my other design videos, then you know how I really like to do it with the gradients and stuff. Okay, let's go back to our image generator and see they generated another one. And this one looks really good. I'm going to download this one. Oh, actually, I really don't because I want to save it, but it's already down here. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I know that I promised you guys at the beginning of the video, if you got those questions right, I'll go ahead and send you guys the link to get the free funeral program business toolkit. This includes all the tools that we use and recommended tools so that you guys can get your funeral program business started. Okay, so go ahead and make sure that you comment your answer below, and then I'll go ahead and send you the link to that. Also, make sure that you guys like this video, subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media. We are on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And also join the Creators Hub. We have many resources on there. We have our own little private community. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.